Hey there, John Hooks here from John-Hooks.com, and I am going to be talking about a application called Beast. Now, Beast is a WhatsApp targeted software to get you traffic and sales through WhatsApp. I'm in the members area here, and we're going to come back to this in just a quick moment. But in order to get to all this, I need you to get to my bonus page, and you'll get to that from YouTube by either clicking on the link next to or beneath this video that says get my exclusive bonuses and Beast here. Click on that link and it'll take you to this very page that we're on now. All right, and so Beast is to be a one-button drives free buyer traffic to any link in 23 seconds. That makes us $49.42 an hour. All right, and this is from the creators of the product itself. And so a little bit more information about it is that, well, from the creator of it, if you're fed up of getting your hopes up and only fail time after time, or you're tired of the BS and lies that your products don't work, if you need to take a deep breath and listen to every word that I'm going to tell you, you see, it's not every day a seven-figure marketer reveals the keys to the castle, especially not for free. Now, I'm going to spare you the long, drawn-out story. I'm going to respect your time here, because I know that such letters are getting are nothing new to you. I know you've heard it all, you've seen it all, you've tried it all, without having much success at all. So I want to cut to the chase and just give it to you straight. I know you understand you can't continue as you are, which is why you're here reading this letter. Now, this was a letter I had taken that the creator had written, on another source, and just put it in here to kind of let you know where it's coming from. And so let's go over and take a quick look at it here. And so, like I said, this is targeted for WhatsApp. And this is the members area dashboard speak here, and of course you have your training section, upgrades. If you need to acquire additional upgrades that you didn't get on the front end, your profile, you can change your information, you can reset your password, and of course this is your support help desk, the contact us button here. Let's jump into the training real quickly here, and it starts off with finding offers. And of course there is a video on how to do that, and basically if I click on finding offers, it takes you through that. The next video is what's called a WhatsApp status maker. The next one is money pages. And these are creating your, opt-in or sales pages, your WhatsApp contact list, your WhatsApp messaging, and WhatsApp automation. Okay, videos on all of those things. All right, and so let's go back to the beginning here. And so down here we're on the home page of the members area here, and so find offers. Now here we have 3 of the top platforms within this software itself, which is Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and JVZoo. And basically, without having to go to each individual platform, you can do it all from within the members area here. Here it will show you the list of offers by date order by default. So Beast itself launched on the 19th. Today is the 20th when I'm making this video, and so we see it here. And then you can just go through your list of recent offers. And so basically, if you're interested in something here, you would just click on something. Not sure what I'm clicking on, but we're going to click on it just to kind of show you the sales page, what it looks like. And you want to view them, because if it's something that you're not interested in offering, then certainly you don't want to offer it. You want to have a passion and a belief in it. Okay, and so if that was something that that you liked, you just click on grab offers, and it will take you to the sign up page. Now, here is a flaw that's in the program, at least on this JV members page, is that when you click on grab offers, it's supposed to take you to sign up for your affiliate link. Now, it does do that in both JV Zoo and ClickBank. And so hopefully this is something that will be clicked. And so let's say we already viewed this and we want to, grab that deal. It takes you to where you go ahead and you can request approval, to sell the offer. Put in your information there and then click request approval. Okay. And similarly with ClickBank, you see something that you like. You click on grab offer. It'll ask you to put in your ClickBank nickname. If you want to add a tracking ID, then you just click on generate your hop links, and that generates your affiliate link. And so that is what you'll need to add into your pages, right? All right, and so next down here we have what's called the status maker. The status maker are basically going to be ads, and where you get to design your ads. As you see, this here has a video back, and this here are the layers, and so if we scroll down, we see that the video is on the bottom because everything is on top of it, and this here whole sidebar is on top of that, and then all of these other elements are on that sidebar, and that's what all of these things are. Like this graphic, right there is this graphic here. The swimwear, is this here, so everything, you can move around, you can change the layers of them. You can, of course, add videos, you can add images, text elements, emojis and stuff like that. You can add filters, you can add audio to it. As you see, this has no audio, but you can add audios, and of course, here's your layers, which is what we're looking at here. Okay, and so from here, let's go to the money pages. And so here, you can create a money page, and let's take a look at one. Well, that gives us the link, this download. So basically, you have to create your money page, and it has multiple templates that you can choose from, and then you can be more specific with what type of template you want. So if you want to create a, let's see, a giveaway page, just click on that. It'll bring up the templates, for your giveaway page, and then you can just choose a template, and everything in here is editable. So editable. So you don't have to use anything like this. Or at least the whole thing, if you are giving away a DVD or something like that, you'll click on that and you'll change this free ebook to a CD or video or something like that. Same thing, your headline, let's say you're advertising how to be a top 10% affiliate, and so you'll go ahead and change that there, because that's going to be what your video would be about, and then you'll have some description down here of what they need to do. This is basically going to be your call to action, and you'll put in your these fields down here for your to capture the email and their sign up button. And of course, you will be integrating your autoresponder, and part of the training will teach you how to do that. And of course, you also have your, if you have your own logo, you can go ahead and upload that image there too. And so then you can create many money pages. This here is your free giveaway, and then of course after that you'll want to direct them to your thank you pages, and of course it will show you it will show your subscriber how to get it, whether it's going to be a download or link from somewhere else to get it, or just to access it from there, or where to go to get it. So you would just do that. All right, and next here is your WhatsApp contact list. This is the second kind of caveat here. And I'm pretty sure that the Warrior Plus issue will be fixed. This is like the JV, demo copy of this, and so your real application may have that Warrior Plus sign up link, already correct. All right, and so let me close out of my email here so I don't get those pop-ups anymore. Okay, and so here you're going to connect your WhatsApp app, and you have your contact book here. You have separate groups that you create from your contacts. And so here's the thing: if you don't have a WhatsApp following already, then you're probably not going to be extremely successful with this. Now, of course, with your contact book, this is going to allow you to access contacts, and you can add and edit your contacts here, right? All right, so and then you have your WhatsApp messaging, and so you can choose your contacts or groups, and you can send out messages to your group. Your WhatsApp automation, this is an upgrade also, and so automatic replies, auto sending timings and stuff like that. Okay, and then your one button, also an upgrade, and that's spoken about. You just choose the campaign that you want to do that with. Now, there is a review video on my bonus page here, and I'll show you where that is, but let's talk about what this is going to cost. So Beast is $17. All right, the world's one and only WhatsApp traffic app. Not sure about that, but it may be the one and only one for you if you go ahead and get it, right? So, and then there are various upsells, the unlimited edition. Of course, this unlocks, some of the restrictions of the front end version. So there won't be any limits on how many times you can create your pages and stuff in a day, or whatever the limitation is. Upsell number 2 is a done for you edition. If you want everything done for you to create the ads, create the money pages, create everything. For $300, it can be done for you. Upsell number 3, the automated edition. We had looked at that, be able to activate all the automation tools. Upsell number 4, done for you templates club. You will get 200 customizable video templates that you can use. The free version, it had a pretty good amount, but nowhere near 200, right? Upsell number 5 is you get 50 click and go campaigns. We'll give you 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. Okay, and so remember these benefits here: free buyer traffic, sales while you sleep, zero learning curve, no tech skills, fast results, more money in your pockets, breakthrough to freedom, peace of mind, complete freedom, happiness, enjoyment and fulfillment, being your own boss, providing for your family, financial certainty and security, more money in your pockets, right? And this does come with a money back guarantee. And so here is the demo video that I was telling you about, and that's why I kind of sped through the one that I did. This here is a quick walkthrough. Let's see I forget how long it was. So this one is over, it's about 8.5 minutes, and it'll take you through each of the segments. All right. So at any time, you can go ahead and click any of the red banners, on my page here to take you through to your secure checkout where you can pick up Beast today. All right. And I do have some bonuses for you for picking up Beast. First is called Fast List Now. This is about building up your subscriber list. Bonus number 2, Lazy Traffic Sniper, a solution for monetizing, finding and monetizing free buyer traffic, right? Bonus 3 is Total Traffic, another traffic tutorial on how to get traffic to your offers. Bonus number 4, YT Velocity, a set and forget buyer traffic from Google, free buyer traffic that is, from Google and YouTube in 15 minutes. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that the Beast developers have offered to give to you if you go ahead and pick this up through one of my links here today. All right, and so that takes us to the end of the review. Let me go ahead and ask you to please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the thumbs up and find that alert bell, and thank you very much. And also want to thank you for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses for Beast. And as always, to your success.